Sarah stared at the construction report that would change everything. Her boss slid a contract across the desk. $50,000 to stay quiet about the substandard materials in the children's hospital. She had student loans crushing her. Her mother's medical bills were piling up. This promotion could solve everything. But those materials could kill children. For 3 sleepless nights, she wrestled with the decision. The safe choice versus the right choice. On Monday morning, she called the authorities. By Tuesday, she was fired, blacklisted, struggling to pay rent. The investigation took months. Sarah ate ramen and wondered if she'd made the biggest mistake of her life. Then the report came back. The building would have collapsed within 2 years. Hundreds of children would have died. A year later, the state's largest firm hired her as head of ethics compliance. Triple her old salary. She sleeps peacefully now, not because she got rich, but because she chose to be someone she could live with. One decision, everything changed.